The day before, you'll find a class specifically called Evaluative Instance Enabled. Inside that class, there'll be a link that takes you to something like this. Something like this screen we see here. This is the Kilgo.com screen, which then redirects us immediately to a Google form. It might be available from Wednesday afternoon. This kind of evaluative instance, which is important for your schedule. But when you enter Outlink, it will only be available starting Thursday the 5th at midnight. So, right as Thursday the 5th begins, this link will be available all day. All day Thursday, so you can take it whenever you want. The duration is officially timed. It's 90 minutes, an hour and a half. It's more than enough. A mix of true and false where you need to explain the false ones, multiple choice, and 3 or 4 short answers. It's nothing out of the ordinary. It'll be pretty easy, but it's meant to confirm your knowledge. If anyone doesn't do well or fails, no worries. There's always a makeup partial available. But you shouldn't have any problems. I really believe you'll do great. All right, let me explain a bit about some important things to keep in mind. Like I said, the link will be enabled on Thursday, something like this. You just go to the link and then log in carefully. It will ask you something. Here you can change the language. It might even open in English at first, but you can switch it to Spanish. You can enter your email, or like me, I already have my personal Google account signed in. So I just click Sign In with Google very easily. Then I pick the one already saved in the browser. But if not, click Sign In with another account. I give it the permissions because it will need them to link up. All right, a couple of important notes. This form will close automatically when your time is up, and won't save if you don't submit it on time. What does that mean? Like I said, you have 90 minutes total to complete, and no additional time will be given. The evaluative session will end automatically at minute 91 or 92, closing the form and sending whatever you've done. So it's important to stick to the 90-minute limit to make sure everything is properly saved and submitted on time. All right. I've got this ready and will hit start now. Thanks. To start the test. But first, it says screen tracking is enabled for this form. What does that mean? It means while you're doing the test, everything on your screen will be recorded clearly. So it's important you only have your browser open on the screen, with just 2 tabs open, no other programs running in the background to avoid distractions or technical issues during the tests. 1 tab for your email, since it might ask you to confirm something by mail. This same program, when you hit start, might send you an email asking to confirm it's your email. Plus, if it's not in your inbox, the email might just be in your spam folder. But if not, you might have. Keep 1 tab open with your email, and the other with the link you copied from the class for the assessment. You'll be told the screen will be recorded. Doti, it's important that you have your email, the link, and no other program open except the browser you are using for this important task. The assessment session. So once you have everything ready, have everything. And click Allow. It'll ask you exactly what you want to share with Kilgo, and then you'll select your entire screen. Exactly so it can see what programs are open, and the browser itself. So I pick the whole screen, hit share, and done. Then it shows you a preview of what's visible. All good. Everything in place. Once you open the form, that's when the exam timer starts running immediately. In this test form, it's only 1 minute, so if I don't finish within that time limit, it'll auto-submit the answers I didn't record or complete properly, which is very important to keep in mind to avoid issues. Okay, so once you hit send, it's done. It means I've received your self-evaluation answers successfully. Important, the system will ask you to record your screen, so you have to grant the screen sharing permissions. Remember, only keep your email and the link from the virtual classroom open, and close everything else to avoid distractions during the assessment. That's all. You get 90 minutes exactly to complete the form thoroughly.